Hi guys, so today I'm going to be showing you my life in a bloxburg tiny home. So, obviously this is my little tiny gardening area that I have. I have a little plant growing here. I'm probably going to get some more, but not enough. So I have these two trees, and this fence with a hedge, because it is so cute. And it's snowing inside and I'm wearing summer clothes, so I better get back inside. So here's my house. Over here is like my bedroom area, I guess. It's my bed, I have some posters, some books, some vines, a cactus, a nice little lamp, which is literally the only lighting in my house. It's pretty nice. This is my computer. I can use it to do all my work and things like that. This is the shower. It has two towels just in case I need an extra one if one of them gets lost inside the house, which I doubt will ever happen. But anyway, this is my cooler. It's got all my food in it. I probably need to add like a shelf or something where I can make my food and I don't have to just grab. So yeah, that is pretty much all my life is in my bloxburg